In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Cloudflare account password. This is a simple and straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure your account security. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or simply because you've forgotten your current one, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. To get there, open your favorite web browser and type in dash.cloudflare.com, which will take you to the login page. Once you're there, you'll see the Cloudflare homepage, which provides you access to manage all your domains and account settings. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and current password to access your account. Now that you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a little icon that represents your profile. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is a quick way to access your account settings, preferences, and other personal information within Cloudflare. Next, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Profile. This will take you to a page with your account information, giving you various options to manage your account and its details. This section is particularly important because it provides you with control over the fundamental aspects of your account, such as your email and contact information. Once you're in the Profile section, look for the Authentication option. Clicking on this will lead you to a part of the site dedicated to keeping your account secure. It's here that you can manage all security-related settings, including two-factor authentication and password settings. In the Authentication section, you will see the option that says Change Password. Click on this button. This is where the magic happens, so to speak. Changing your password is an essential security measure and should be done regularly to maintain your account's integrity. Finally, you'll see fields to enter your old password and your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you've entered both your old password and the new one, hit Save. This will finalize the process and update your password immediately. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Cloudflare account password. And that's it, folks. It's a straightforward process that plays a crucial role in safeguarding your account. Regularly updating your passwords is an excellent habit to maintain, and Cloudflare makes it simple and efficient to keep your details secure. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.